Hey, it's Rocky here again, and in this chart we're going to look at the Russell 2000, which has made a large correction out of this high up here. And what I wanted to show you on this chart are two things. First of all, the market came down here and then it started to rally. So I used the retracement tool from this high to this low and marked the retracements here. And as you can see, we came up to 0.618, just broke through again, and then it started to come back down again. So this is where you've got to watch these levels. Sometimes they'll go just through, and that's just a result of the momentum, people buying and buying and buying until all the buyers are exhausted up here. And then we started to head south here. Now, how do you know where this leg is likely to end? To show you how accurately you can forecast where these trends will end, I'll take this off and let's use our price projection tool. So we go from there to there to there. And as you can see, it came down here, it had this big long panic sell-off down in here, came up, had one swing, and then it came all the way down here and just touched 100% of this previous range from this high down here, 100%, and then the buyer stepped in and bought this up. Now, when you see a pattern like this where you've got this big long tail on this candlestick and a red body, ideally the red body should have been shorter to make it a better looking pattern. But when you see something that looks like this where they've come down and they've touched 100% and then they've rallied up here and then they take out this high, that's a sign that you don't want to be short anymore, at least in the short term, because there's a good chance that this is going to rally, and that's what happened here. So that means there are two things on this chart that were very instructive. The 618 retracement here, and then the 100% of this previous range leg down here. Now where are we going next? Bit early to tell yet, but as you can see, this has come back up here and it's around 50% retracement, because this is projected down. We've got a quarter, 3/8, 50%. So this has come back up to 50% retracement and it started to go down. So are we going to roll over and have another leg down like this? Time will tell. But this market, the Russell, looks very weak. It's much weaker than the Nasdaq, and it's much weaker than the other big US indexes. So it will be interesting to see if this now rolls over. If it makes a lower high here and starts heading down, we could very well have another leg down just like this one. So that's why you want to put these price retracements and price projections on your charts, and when they get near these levels, be on alert for the trend to change or for the trend to end like it did here.